Rebel. What is it you do exactly, and why do you do it?
Well, I'm Jah Messenger. That's my title.
Why did you call yourself Jah Messenger, or why was you called that?
It's not even a thing of being called. I see other people doing that work from young.
Yeah.
Keep rags at it, yeah. Like people like Luciano and just other artists before that have a pt2 and enough man that carry the works in it. But the works was Jah Message in it.
Okay.
And Jah Message is life. Like, and when I say life, I don't just mean you and me walking around on the road. Because even if every living man on the face dead, yeah, even if every animal dead, cockroaches still live. And even if every cockroach dead, bacteria and organisms and life can't die. And people who's talking about how the world's gonna come to an end, the world's gonna come. Maybe, remember that rock song?
Maybe the world as we know it.
That's what I was about to say. Remember that rock song? It's the end of the world as we know it. As we know it. Yeah. So.
And I was saying that all last year when people were talking about the 2012 and the ending, I was like, no, it's a new vibration. You know, either you're with it or you're not. You know?
If you ain't, you might go miss it.
Well, this is it. Or, you know, you just go on in your own kind of thing.
And not people are dead anyway, man.
Yeah, it's true.
They're living dead.
It's true.
So,
it's true.
I'm not some horror film.
But you have to have the balance though. You have to have the balance.
Everyone can't be.
Everything's necessary.
True.
But yeah.